Hey there, welcome back to Clueless Realtor, where we help realtors succeed. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a YouTube intro that you can use for your YouTube real estate channel. This will help you add a quick intro of your brand to the first 5 seconds of your YouTube video. YouTube intros are a great way for branding purposes, and I highly recommend them. So, if this is your first time visiting our YouTube channel, then consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be the first to be notified of any new videos that we upload. Now, let's have my wife take it over from here.
So here we are on Canva.com. And if it does look a little bit different to you, we are using Canva Pro, which is the paid one. If you're interested in trying Canva Pro for 30 days, you could do so with our referral link. We will leave it right below this video in the text box as well as in the comments section. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a YouTube intro for your real estate channel. And you could do a YouTube intro just like a general one that you use for all of your videos, or you could create a YouTube intro for specific open houses or just listed or just sold. So you could kind of customize it any way that you want. So all you need to do is if you head over to templates, this is the window that's going to pop up. And if you type in here YouTube intro, you're going to get a variety of different intros that you could use. These are already optimized for YouTube, so you don't have to resize them, which is really nice. And you could kind of just go through them and see what speaks to you. Keep in mind, the videos could be changed, the colors could be all customizable. You could add your logo, you could add your branding colors, your branding font, and anything else that you want, pictures in it as well. So you could kind of go through this entire list here and see if you see anything that resonates with you. If you don't find something, what you could do is click on blank. You're going to get the blank Canva here, but then to your left, you're going to see all of the different ones that they offer. These are some that we already seen. And if you don't find something specifically for real estate, what you could do is just type up here, real estate. When you do that, you'll get additional options like these that are more or they look more towards real estate, because keep in mind all of them can be customized and you could change it and make it look like a real estate template as well. So let's say that you have a new property for sale. You can kind of do this one here, and this is the first slide here. As you can see, you could add all of these slides and create your own little intro, or you could just have one or two. So let's say I wanted to add another page here. I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to do this picture here, which is like the kitchen. That's pretty neat. And you could put here, for sale. You could, change the font here. You could change the font to anything else that you might want. It's really up to you. So the one that originally had was that one. It kind of goes with that picture, actually. You could change this. You could put the location, right, if you wanted to. So let's say we're going to put 4043 West Wolcott Avenue, Chicago, Illinois, 60601. And let's put pricing. Price, 675,000. So you could do something like that you could put more details here. And then you could have this like a little intro. You could change this obviously here. You could put your name there if you wanted to. You could upload your logo if you wanted to as well. I'm just going to do a quick one here to kind of just show you how easy it is. So let's go ahead and use CC's logo. So we're going to just put this logo. You could put it up here. I would probably put it like somewhere in the corner, just for branding purposes, but the logo shouldn't be like the main focus, because obviously the main focus is the house. So having it in a little corner like this, I think is fine. You could make a copy and kind of like push it on here if you could put it. If not, no big deal. You could always put it on the side like that if you wanted to. But this could be a quick intro. So whenever you create your YouTube channel maybe you do like an open house like video where you showcase the house on your YouTube channel, you could have this as just the quick intro for people to get a quick glance, and then you start talking. Some people, they'll record the video and they'll say, "Hey, welcome to my channel. We're going to be showing you a property, 4043 West Wolcott. Let's go ahead and get started." They do something like that. They do a little intro, and then they start talking again where they're walking through the house, kind of showing you the property. So it's really up to you. You could get as creative as you want, but having intros actually are really helpful. I have a channel that almost has 40,000 subscribers. So I know a thing or two when it comes to intros, and it's something that I've been playing around with as well, for my own channel, and plan to start doing a lot more in the following year as well. But these are very cool for, especially for realtors. And once you're happy, let's say you're happy here, you added enough slides that you're okay with it. Keep in mind an intro should be very short. It shouldn't be more than 10 seconds long. People have short attention span, especially on YouTube. So you don't want to make it too long. Once you're happy with it, all you're going to do is download the video, and you would download it as an MP4, and you go ahead and download both pages. And what you would do is, once you're ready to add this to your actual video, you will add this. You would be able to drop this to your video software. So we use Camtasia to do videos and recordings, etc. So whatever video software you use, you'll be able to take this video and drop it in there and do the intro for that particular open house or for sale house. Now, keep in mind, you could do a standard intro, which is just maybe you waving and saying welcome to the channel and having like a little background music or something, and just make it very simple. You could do that and then use that for every single video you upload. That way it gives you less, you won't have to spend so much time creating an intro for every single house. I personally think, as a realtor, or being married to someone that's a realtor, I personally think that I would enjoy videos that had, if you're gonna have a different open house, each open house have their own video customized to that house. I think that will make it more special. And then the videos that you talk about general content in your YouTube channel, maybe using the same intro for those videos. But this is how simple it is to create YouTube intros for your real estate channel. Let us know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.